Alam mo ba ang real-life crisis? Wanting to buy bigger house, new gadgets, better car, is realizing you don't actually want one anymore. Dito pumapasok ang pinaka-radical na concept. Enough, not more, not better, enough. This principle is financially revolutionary. It helps us finally see the difference of wanting versus needing, upgrading bagong kotse or latest iPhone versus improving peace of mind and freedom. Enough isn't settling. It's recognizing true abundance. Optimization isn't having more choices. It's being satisfied with better ones. Tanungin mo, will this make me happier or just make me look like everyone else? Suddenly, your decision and choices shifts to what matters most, yourself. Spending to buy versus spending for memories. What you buy depreciates, and your memories, the value grows. The enough principle stops lifestyle inflation na nagtutulak sa iyo magtrabaho ng ayaw mo. When you know what's sufficient, you optimize for freedom, not accumulation. Less stuff, more freedom. At higit sa lahat, more peace. Tandaan, enough is not sacrifice. It is your freedom.